Hi guys, welcome back to Just a Mum Winging It. Today I just thought I would quickly pick up the camera and record a power hour. I just started cleaning the hob and thought this is the perfect opportunity to just show you guys what I'm up to. So I've just started by cleaning the hob. I've just got a bit of cream cleaner and a scourer just to get off any burnt on bits. So I'm just going to move into the kitchen and spray the worktops down and give them a good wipe with a disinfectant just to make sure that they're all nice and clean. And I also like to go over with a tea towel after and buff the worktops so that they have a nice shine. Take this opportunity to ask you all to subscribe to my channel. If you like these types of videos, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Is there any products that you guys like to use? I know I share a lot of my favorite ones in these videos, so yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I'm just quickly dusting the sideboard unit down in the snug and just getting this all nice and clean. Guys, I'm just using the Fabulosa disinfectant and a microfiber cloth just to go over all my shiny surfaces. Into the living room, I'm just going to give this room a hoover and then we'll go on into the snug and the kitchen and get those rooms hoovered as well. One day at a time, keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be a key by my side, my tropical love. Behind, sailors.
hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, baby, in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. Tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. Looking for a way out, I can't find my way now. I just need you by my.
I'm just going to quickly mop the floors with this quick 1-2 spray by Leader spray mop. It's great. You just fill it in with some hot water at the top and the handle and squirt and off you go. As you can see, I'm just scratching a little bit that was stubborn on the floor off. In here I have got the Flash floor cleaner in the, I'm trying to think what flavour I've got in there. It's the soap one, and it smells lovely. And I also put just a little bit of Fabulosa disinfectant in there as well. Moving on into the living room, I'm using my ditl hard floor cleaner. This is absolutely fantastic. I have to put in warm or hot water, but it's almost like a carpet cleaner. It's used with a trigger, so you trigger the water and it sucks it back up, so it dries great and it leaves your floors completely smear free. Sometimes I find when you're using a mop or a steam mop on the hard floors, they can feel a little bit sticky, like they need buffing. This does not need buffing. You could run down here with your socks on and go sliding to the other side of the room. It is fantastic, and the shine that you get when the sun comes through the window, that floor gleams. I absolutely love it. It was expensive, but it was worth every single penny. Again, I just have in here the Flash floor cleaner, and it's the soap flavour, and it smells incredible. Absolutely love this.
There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. And you're staring back
Okay, so we've moved on up into my bedroom and I'm just going to sort the laundry out. I'm going to pop it into piles of everybody's clothes. I find this way it just makes it easier to carry through into the bedrooms and pop away without having to carry a big lump of washing around and go from room to room. Definitely find this much easier. So guys, this is going to wrap up the video. Once we've sorted all this out and put it away, that is the end. Like I said, it's just a quick little power hour speed clean with me. I hope you enjoy it. Please give this video a like, I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And that's it for this one, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you're all staying home and staying safe, and we will see you in a few days in a brand new video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.
When I sit and think back on everything, I wouldn't change one single memory. But with time I found this is one I'll count. When you walked away from me. Far as I can tell, you've both been doing well. Back to where I started, broken, open hearted. I can't count the times that you had